In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom navigation menu in Confluence to make your workspace easier to navigate and better aligned with your organization's branding. Start by logging into Confluence with administrator permissions. Once you're signed in, click the Settings or Admin icon and open the Site Administration area. Next, navigate to the section where navigation and appearance settings are managed. Depending on your Confluence version, this may be found under Look and Feel, Customization or Navigation settings. If available, upload your company logo to personalize the navigation area. Choose a high-quality image that looks clear on both desktop and mobile devices. You can also customize the colors used throughout the navigation menu. Adjust the background color, highlight color, and other visual elements to match your company's branding guidelines. To make navigation easier, add links to important pages, spaces, project dashboards, knowledge base articles, or team resources that users access frequently. Arrange the menu items in a logical order so users can quickly find the information they need. Group related links together to keep the navigation clean and organized. After making your changes, preview the navigation menu to ensure everything looks correct and all links work properly. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Save to apply the changes. Your custom navigation menu will now be available to users across your Confluence environment. And that's how to create a custom navigation menu in Confluence. A well-designed navigation structure helps users find content faster and creates a more professional experience throughout your workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.